Sushik,
Hello, sir. Dipendra.
nice to meet you.
So you have already driven the GLC?
Yeah, loved it. So same set of obstacles, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So the course is same,
Yeah.
बस आपको अब थोड़ा different feel होगा क्योंकि as you are driving the GLE.
Bigger car.
हाँ, bigger car, more power, more approach, more departure angle,
Yeah.
more ground clearance. Suspensions are on like a softer side. So
Okay.
this way. Slightly.
So rumble strip first, right?
Yes. Slightly right. Now fully straight.
This way brakes are a little stiffer than the GLC.
Which what? Brakes.
हाँ, slightly stiffer than GLC.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो ऑफ रोड मोड पे थोड़ा
Okay.
बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाता है तो थ्रॉटल भी आपका थोड़ा हार्ड होगा.
Okay. आप मेरे को ये बता देना रुकना कब है.
हाँ. Now setting should be straight.
Lines are fine, right?
Yes, this line is correct. Just keep rolling as slow as possible. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Further touch of throttle, बहुत ज़्यादा पुश नहीं करना है. हम throttle constant रखना है आपको. हाँ, like this. Slightly increase करते रहेंगे आप. अभी टर्न नहीं करना है इसलिए. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling.
यहाँ पे I think we stop, right?
No, अभी जाने नहीं है.
It's
Stop
fine.
here.
Okay.
Now turn towards your side, fully right. This line is correct. Just straight your steering like this.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to use the throttle.
Okay.
जब भी हम descent approach करेंगे,
हाँ जी.
then we need to brakes. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
नहीं, the response was very
हाँ,
scary.
क्योंकि
हाँ.
इसके पास में बहुत ज़्यादा power
हाँ.
है. So we have 500 Nm of torque.
Yeah.
So just feather touch on the acceleration. Feather touch slightly, like this. Slightly increase कर सकते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा push नहीं करना है. Okay, keep rolling. Now use your brakes. Release and brake. Release and brake. So इसको हम थोड़ा और फास्ट करेंगे.
Okay.
Like this. And
This is
then
fine.
now stop here.
Okay.
Stop here. So अभी आप जैसे like ब्रेक को 100% प्रेस कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
So fully 100% रिलीज नहीं करना है.
Okay. हल्का सा रिलीज
Just
करना है.
30-40% रिलीज करेंगे.
Okay.
और within second again ब्रेक अप्लाई करेंगे.
Okay.
Now slightly release and brakes. Release and brakes. Release and brakes.
This is fine.
स्टीयरिंग टर्न नहीं करना है आपको.
Okay.
सो राइट साइड आपको ऊपर रहना चाहिए हल्का सा. यहाँ
Okay.
पे हल्का सा आपको यहाँ रखना है.
Okay.
And ये लॉक करके रखिए. ये नीचे रहना
Okay.
चाहिए. सो
ठीक है.
यूजुअली नीचे जाओगे तब आप उसको टर्न नहीं कर पाओगे. तो हमें
हाँ,
टर्न नहीं
तो-
करना.
okay.
तो स्लाइटली रिलीज एंड ब्रेक्स.
This is fine.
यस यस परफेक्ट. जस्ट टैप एंड गो. रिलीज. टैप्स रिलीज. यही फॉलो करना है हमें. Just follow the process. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Now straight your steering. धीरे धीरे स्ट्रेट करना स्टार्ट कीजिए. नीचे जाते हुए. Like this. Now fully straight. And next we'll move towards the tilt angle.
Okay.
Be gentle on throttle. Constant रखना है हमको. Slightly on my side. More on my side. Now fully straight. So just stop here.
हाँ जी.
Fully stop. So आप यहाँ पे जो डिग्रीज देख रहे हो that is just
हाँ जी.
स्टीयरिंग के एंगल्स है.
हाँ जी.
So जब भी मैं आपको लेफ्ट या राइट बोलूँ
हाँ जी.
that means 4-5 डिग्रीज. ये 5 डिग्रीज दिख रहे हो.
हाँ जी.
इससे ज़्यादा आपको टर्न नहीं करना है.
Okay.
किसी भी एंगल में स्लाइट राइट that means
हाँ जी.
4 to 5 डिग्री.
हाँ जी.
Okay.
Good to go.
हाँ good to go. Now straight your steering. Just hold like this. Just release. Use your brakes to slow it down. We'll enter slow as possible.
Lines are correct.
Yes, line is perfect.
Okay.
अगर मैं करेक्ट करनी होगी तो मैं आपको बता दूंगा.
ठीक है.
More slow. Use your brakes to slow it down. More slow. Slightly on your side, please. 4-5 degrees. That's perfect. Now straight. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Throttle constant hold करके रखना है आपको.
हाँ जी.
Perfect. So we'll take a wider right.
हाँ.
Okay, I think the flag is down. I need to go.
हाँ, okay. I'll hold you, no worries.
Stop here. Okay. Good to go.
Right.
Now straight your steering. Just slow it down. Just stop
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Slightly on right side. 4-5 degrees.
Fine?
More. Keep going ahead. Okay, लाइन करें. अब
Okay.
स्लोली क्लाइंब करना स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Okay.
और जैसे ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे हमें हल्का सा एक्सीलरेशन बढ़ा देंगे. और ऊपर जाने के बाद हमें रुकना है.
हाँ जी.
क्रॉस नहीं
Right.
करना है. ओके, कीप रोलिंग स्लोली से पुश, ज़्यादा पुश नहीं करना.
हाँ जी.
And like this. 2 degrees on your side, please. Right side. Just like this. Perfect. Keep a constant throttle. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Slightly on your side, please. आपकी तरफ होल्ड कर दो स्टीयरिंग को.
Okay.
Perfect. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Now use your brakes. हल्का सा और आगे जाएंगे. Okay. Perfectly fine. Keep rolling.
Stop here?
No,
नहीं,
just
keep
keep
going.
going. No acceleration now. Just use your brakes. So यहाँ पे आप डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं पावर का कि
हाँ
हमें
जी.
कितना लीनियर पावर मिलता है.
Yeah.
All because of the 6-cylinder engine.
Yeah. It's like instant response.
हाँ. और कहीं भी व्हील स्पिन नहीं होता है. All
हाँ,
because
हाँ.
of the formatic.
Yeah. That's very good actually. Like instant transfer of torque.
हाँ.
Yeah, we'll have to set up the DSR first, right?
Yes. So
यहाँ पे I'll wait.
the DSR. You just
Okay.
need to
Reduce करना है, right?
yes. Set it to 2. Perfect.
Let's
When
start.
we approach towards the descent,
हाँ जी.
just leave your pedal entirely.
हाँ जी.
तो मैं बता दूंगा आपको कब छोड़ना. यूज योर ब्रेक्स. अभी ब्रेक यूज़ करना है.
हाँ जी. जब तक वो एंगल नहीं कैच करता तब तक
हाँ.
यूज़ करना है, right?
हाँ राइट. अभी आप यू कैन लीव.
Can leave?
Yes, you can leave your pedal. Slightly on my side, please.
Yeah. Nice.
So next we are approaching towards the articulation.
Okay.
Just make sure we enter correctly between the cones.
Yeah. Let's see. I'll try.
The line is perfect.
Okay. I'll keep it straight.
Yes, more slow.
Uh,
Slightly on my side, please.
okay.
No, that is too much.
Okay. 2-3 degrees.
Yes. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Now straight your steering.
Okay.
Just straight and constant throttle. Constant throttle. Now full brakes and wait here.
Okay.
Full brakes and wait here. The cross smooth. Just wait here. Let the car stabilize.
Yeah, and then we'll move right.
Yes. Okay. Now you can start rolling. Slightly on your side, please. 3-4 degrees.
3, 4.
Perfect. Now constant throttle again. Constant throttle. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Now fully brakes. Perfect.
1-2 degrees to your left.
No, just keep
Okay.
it straight.
Okay.
We have to exit. Our line is correct.
Okay.
More slow. Now exit. Caution throttle. Okay, take a wider left
Great.
towards my side.
Oh, the boat has fallen down.
Oh, no issues in that. Now fully left from here.
Yeah.
Again between the cones.
Okay. So this doesn't have four-wheel steering, right? GLS has
no,
it,
no,
right?
No.
Okay.
That the rear steering.
Yeah, yeah.
No. The GLS also doesn't have the rear steering.
Oh,
I think EQS, that electric has that
okay.
rear steering. Slightly on your side, 2-3 degrees. Now fully straight. Let the car call itself.
Okay. I think I'll have to give it a little
just
bit
press
of input. Yeah.
a bit, then just leave.
Okay.
No brakes, please. No
Okay.
acceleration. Let the car call itself. Again, we have a tilted angle on the positive
Yeah, I
side.
think I'll put it a little on the left because last time I think our wrong line was a little wrong.
Okay, no issues. We're just in mid of the obstacle.
So this is fine?
The line is correct.
Okay.
Line is correct. Just enter slowly.
Yeah.
And when we climb up, just 2 degrees on your side.
Okay. When we climb up, right?
I'll tell you when to wait, okay?
Okay.
Just keep it straight, slightly on my side.
Okay.
Yes, keep entry. Keep entry. More slow, more slow.
Okay.
Now fully straight. It has to be straight now.
Okay.
Just constant throttle.
Okay.
Take a wider right towards your side.
Okay.
लेफ्ट तरफ इंस्ट्रक्टर थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट की तरफ दबाओ
Just
नाउ इट्स फाइन
slightly on your side, please.
Okay.
Now straight, fully straight.
Okay. Lines are okay?
Yes, lines are
Okay.
perfect. More slow.
Okay.
Now 2 degrees on your side, please.
Okay.
That's it. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Now straight your steering on a constant throttle. Just increase as per the requirement.
Okay.
Slowly keep it slow on constant throttle. Steering should be straight now, fully
Okay.
straight,
Okay.
fully straight. Now full brakes and wait.
Yeah. Okay.
Just wait here. Okay, perfect, good to go. Now release. More slow,
Okay.
more slow. And now constant throttle again.
Oh, this was a very good experience.
Now you have driven 2 cars
Yeah.
and you can feel the
The
differences.
Absolutely. We park it next to the blue one?
Sorry?
We park it next to the blue
yes,
one?
yes,
Okay.
yes, next to the blue one.
Yeah.
Like it has better advantage of having bigger engine
Yeah.
and the aromatics.
Yeah. Horsepower is like 335, right?
No, I think it's 260.
260.
And 400 Nm of torque.
Okay.
And the diesel one has like a 281 and 750 Nm of torque.
That's pretty nice. It's fine, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And you can park here. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you.
so
It was a
much
very
for
enjoyable
having me.
experience.
Thank you, sir. Can I have your band, please?
Yeah, sure, please.
Just unlock.
That's fine. It'll come off like that.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
thank you. We leave it running, right?
Yes.
Okay.